Mo obibia akwaba eba money zone so ene video mbetwe kwan befa so be use mainline data no a convert no wetuma use na as a daytime me che say enipa dodo na bebre wo mainline data on phone so ba nyu bibia na betumi sipe ase na dage etima browse wa match no mu na dodo na so nyaya ka mainline data no ko use na as anopa any area enso enwe kete saa de bia zone bundle any data bundle ye to wo ye phone so no ano de nyu bibia na betumi nyesa nti na video betwe kwa befa so menya mainline data wetuma convert wetuma use as daytime anopa ni area enso o no ma kami this week betwe kwa befa so a zoom bundle no de apa foforo no 324 megabyte at 194 pesos no oto eno a esanya automatic on top foforo eno an be renew e trick up system foforo last year bi sa ba ma me kire wade eye zoom bundle Zombana 323 megabyte for 1 day at Ghana 194 pesos. So auto bako at 194 pesos na auto eno ano no. Esanya 323 megabyte ni sanya na no anka so renew automatic. Eno a yen team through account no. A new trick ba system last year bi by ejibum MTN for the free system coming this weekend. Me the foforo ba omo renew services ni bia ye tie di ejuma wo internet it me find out so many ways a bit me abo your audience for now bit me low budget internet it may lose to win auto 194 pesos now enu abe renew automatic auto once a be renew today no ahia bit me use a new thing to me sell one subscribe na click on the bell notification some the video no too ma wait me nya ntema hwe ana won like so ana won comment so am say like na comment na share ma me na video ntimi nko viral me say nti subscribe coming this weekend ya me upload video kwa be fa so be auto renew a e wo 1.94 pesos auto ya automatic eno am be renew a yentil nti beto once pe eno am be renew automatic nti en chale ho no e kwa be fa so a obetimi nya o midnight data no wetime use as daytime data na me be che no didi kan be check e bundle e wo ye phone so nya verify ansa na yituma processing so nti yen check e bundle e wo so yen check fi a ye check *124 bundle e wo ye phone so ye 587.7 megabyte e midnight bundle obi be ka system me boa e bia mato zoom bundle anase mato bundle foforo ti be ko omo main account check ni ahwe say midnight bundle anase e zoom bundle ti ye hwe e be se me kire mo say bundle na wo so no enye se mo kire mo say bundle na wo so no midnight na enye zoom bundle anase ada bundle bia teno na migu so a me check no ti ahanom no ye bundle na wo so no ye data bundle balance ye ni bi and ye midnight bundle balance 586 megabyte inti te said ye check was *124 the same thing e kire wa ha nti ye ni midnight ye ni flexi bundle and answer zoom bundle bia on my phone so there was bia ye midnight nti midnight na wo so no ye be convert ni ye use na as daytime right now video ya me ya about 9:70 anopa ti dedi kan for transparency any da honti pese mu da okra ni nti yen hwe ade wa ha me ye ba hanu ma me use two sims me use MTN ni Vodafone right now bundle o my phone so ye Vodafone bundle o my phone so ye Vodafone ti Vodafone na me de be ko internet na ma ye settings ni wo MTN so sa trick we anase we no e work wo only MTN Vodafone 30 go phone count trick we work wo only MTN na wo Ghana wo Nigeria obetimi access e Nigeria Ghana pe ekuro mienu we ntu right now no MTN ya check bundle na wo so no Vodafone na me dey akọ internet no dey access internet no nti ye we first step second step you be ko Play Store you go Play Store and you search for this app your friend Vinify medical search senetie ene na ase we da ho no medical download pese video ni enye tenti medical download into be download Vinify correct sign bi na down to download de bi no no wa ko bie aba Vinify na we bie Vinify na wa no to bia se ne tie ubia ahanom no ube pay attention wa aha na ube settings kakra bi wa ube di kan kwa owo Ghana misra select Austria owo Ghana select Austria ana owo Nigeria no select Bulgaria we need two countries ye be access omo time zone need ma convert your midnight wo Ghana ha no as a daytime aha no ya complex kakra ba mjidi so biati ase owo Ghana misra select Austria owo Nigeria select Bulgaria yebe access to these countries near changing your GPS near so your location near access your time zone to time no mu use Austria no. Instead of saying you so no pan be use moment how much time na you access it. As we go through the process no obi a better ase to be able select Austria near connect on time zone nti connect no connected. You access Austria time zone because of your Ghana until me use Ghana there. To a first process, second process, you back settings. Go settings and now search for location. Go search for location. Location wait me you are and now so we call settings no you location we so location nti ya so location your location access Austria time zone nti ya connecting me location right now baby am on my connect ama Vinify ni app bi o maye ne sonko from different VPN apps to use different VPN apps and work you want say key sign a show was run key sign ana a show was run o top one ana show Vinify no omani in such a way say the location I saw ha no instead say show Ghana no access Vinify Austria location app no a link your location ama Austria the any second process the third process no you be call time and date we second process no we call time and date time and date ahana ejuma kakra wo time and data dodo na eda network provided time network ni ana man time the MTN man time ba ahano ube yefi network provided time na dia beto GPS provided time wache mu dawo nti ya be to GPS provided time message we ne beba no akọ okay the GPS provided time no eno ye location network provided time ye network no MTN airtel go da for my time but GPS provided time eno will locate with GPS address geographical address ana my time to right now ya connect your GPS provided time ama your location and your location so I link here akoma Vinify to right now no the provide your time Austria you use Austria time right now actually the American what you say see ahanum no wa connect to GPS provided time be no ahanum automatic time zone nso ubeye fro automatic time zone ube kono off cause the owner match use network provided time zone still like MTN phone be provided time but you are switching off into one you use GPS provided time and you access Austria time zone into a link by link your location a link here called Austria time zone you use Austria for time and a GPS provided time na link here these are the three processes how fuller with mainline data to you so one man but say you verify there wa you be ko Google na you busa Google say what is the time now in Austria? Right now, time I work Australia right now is 12:33. And at time I work Ghana right now is 10:34. And also 10:34. So right now, Australia as a country, you saw more midnight time zone into a certificate 12. They say Ghana midnight certificate 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na and 6 hours sana applicable to Australia. Right now Australia no you want a certificate 12 say 30 minutes abesenko into yesterday no certificate 10 to be use who Ghana daytime no midnight to be use 10 echo cause 12 for Australia 12 1 2 3 4 5 above 5 Australia that means I end it to who Ghana so now you use midnight as daytime now you use as in Australia so also the ebe end from 10 11 12 1 2 3 to Ghana from 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock into every day also of one now we are setting so you'll be to me access midnight no from 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock daytime 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock 6 hours and yet the whole day Mr. And yet the whole day 6 hours long journey a process 6 hours long journey into 12 ebo Australia wait my for 12 ball Australia automatic about 10 our Ghana the 12 ebo Australia automatic about 10 our Ghana the certificate 12 now call 1 2 3 4 5 6 sa 6 hours into say about 6 our Australia now about Ghana 3 o'clock into that means midnight time and into Ghana we bet me access midnight from 10 to 3 o'clock. Until say 10 11 you see you can use 30 minutes abesenko. And then checking Nigeria then more Nigeria so then Senator what is the time now in Bulgaria? They say applicable. Oh Ghana who use Nigeria the work who Nigeria use Ghana the work I just use a kuna machon Ghana to Australia Nigeria to Bulgaria. With Bulgaria is about 136 right now minimum time I want Nigeria but I work the same thing then so you're applicable 6 hours the same thing to say right now because Ghana you need Nigeria for a 1 hour difference sana we say applicable Bulgaria in Australia so 1 hour difference we say 130 almost something 6 hours to almost something I think say almost 11 Nigeria did this about 11:37 on Nigeria right now Nigeria for so bit me use from about 1 o'clock Bulgaria then certificate 1 o'clock Nigeria for with my access on midnight 11 o'clock 11 12 1 2 3 4 what I say almost certificate 11 1 2 3 4 11:30 1 2 3 4 about 1 Australia like Bulgaria the same thing you check it with Ghana and right now your Ghana and I may check Ghana for one Nigeria so bit me use the same process until we ask am say comment na me back abetro 12 process until we sent you use 38 minutes after midnight starting till 10 11 12 1 2 3 which 10 11 12 1 2 3 na end until every day 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock bit ma access midnight sana work it bibia dem crojen hansanti ye be switch ye wi a obe restart phone because and you might be your phone is so still I bear capture ain't me my setting ain't me progressing to we are better start your phone or better restart I mean can say do patches or better restart I'm so also switch your top a restart to better restart your phone afi ya restart your phone so no nya back no e be check say bibia da na kwem ti sesa se setting na ti dey di kan pe se san check e man no e wo your phone so ansa ne asan to processing so Bando ne was 587 for transparency enti obi maka say bia me restarting masanto foflego so ti 587 na ne was so ni a check other process no ye be check say ye yi susu a ye location no eda so so ni akohwe yakọ vinify ni dum ti be so edum ye be so ni a check say bibia da na kwema and after an so that's so that Australia connected you see you so vinify ye wie no ensi won ma ye sambe ko settings ni akọ check settings say bibia ensesan wo ho no ma Okay, over date and time so yeah, at that GPS provided time at that baby a set it to you know. And not automatic time zone so that on my you do no. Tell me be ada na kom. The last step I be any say. Last step e be any say be ko near switch it back your network na ko sem one e empty. See you reprocess ni bibia. Ti access Australia time zone. Ti be switch it back our network. Ako MTN. Wana na me use Vodafone. Ti my we settings on MTN ti be switch it back ako MTN so. Ti ya switch it back ako MTN so. You see, you check your settings, I check your date and time, I check your VPN, be work fine. See, last process here, say I verify, and I say I check it, say processing a yen, I hear and I say ye, and I win so bit me use TikTok, YouTube, Play Store, WhatsApp, API, TD can yanko YouTube, na yanko check way. Okay, YouTube aba, BBR than equip, and a loading. BBR can say right now, ye use main 90 no. And here can ya convert a use Australia 4 time zone. Ha bibia dan akwe. Yenko TikTok. Yenko hwade. Yeni kan ko WhatsApp. Yenko check is a WhatsApp eso be work ya. Aha WhatsApp. Message so you sending na ekon. Ti WhatsApp so work. Yenko TikTok, yenko hwade. That means midnight in here can work. I TikTok. TikTok esuni. Ti saa nete. Into next coming this weekend, me upload a video about how bit me use zone band on the toss number 1. Bit my auto renewal. A new trick apa system. Any probably bring and embar out. Yeah, internet for a 30 year good year with internet so you discover. Last year be basa ana muji front. This time the ye di nyoma be go akwema and spread no ebeba from kakra. Aha, and to a new person subscribe. Click on the bell notification. Comment na share na like it. Some the video ni too ma wait me nyan ntem. Me say high money zone. Money zone dey at the dead and the bro me that's it.